Yo, guys, Mar back with another video, and today's video is gonna be crazy. It's gonna be a good one, man. I got my rims right here behind me. They're pretty nice. I'm gonna put on my car today. I'm also got these exhaust tips I'm gonna put on the back of my car. These bad boys right here. I got these beautiful rims going right on my baby right here. Yeah, these rims are done for. They're ugly. Not to mention I am getting my car wrapped tomorrow, so let's see how that goes. This whole build is gonna be amazing. I'm glad my viewers are here to watch this. So with that being said, I'm just gonna start packing everything up right now. I'm gonna go to the exhaust shop first and get the exhaust tips on, and we're gonna go to the wheel shop, get some new wheels for this car, and put the rims on. So let's get it right, man. Let's go. I'm kind of excited. It's gonna look like a nice ass car after it's done. Had those exhausts on because I want to get it straight piped, and I didn't have an exhaust for them, so I didn't have exhaust tips for them, so I had to just do it like that. It looks horrible right now, but we're gonna get that shit fixed ASAP. I'm just gonna let my car warm up a little bit and then we out, man. I'm gonna start packing all this shit up right now so we get started, bro. We about to head out. Car's almost warmed up, so yeah, I'm about to head out right now. Add fuel to the fire real quick. Gas guzzler, my boy. Gas guzzler. Finally made it, guys. About to get the tips on right now. As you guys can see, I'm catted all the way back. You see that? All the way back there. I'm catted, boy. Shake tight to the max. Let's get the exhaust tips and I'll be done. Ugly. Finally done. Just like that, the exhaust is done. Looks amazing, man. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at them. Don't mind the little chips, man, on the back rear bumper. I'm getting the car wrapped tomorrow, so. This is the final product of the tips. It looks so fire. Yeah, it's fire, bro. Like a whole N5. I couldn't get the rims on my car only for the fact that I need new tires because the width of my rims are so wide. So I mean, I couldn't get it done today, so I'm just gonna have to buy new tires and just put them on myself, I guess, and call it a day. I mean, so far it was still a successful day because I got the exhaust done, the exhaust tips. Before, the exhaust tips were kind of crappy and they look so ugly. Now it looks like an actual Beamer, nice classic Beamer. Hey, it looks nice. So like with that being said, I appreciate you guys for watching. I will be doing another video on when I do get the rims on. and show you the before and after. See how it looks now. Let's wait until get the rims come on. Also, I am getting my car wrapped, I believe, tomorrow. Hopefully everything goes well with that. And man, it's just, the bill's gonna be crazy. The bill's gonna be so crazy. I appreciate you guys watching, man. Remember, have a blessed day. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. As fast as you guys can get me a 1K subscribers, as fast as you're gonna get that Xbox X. It's gonna be one lucky winner.